So we're starting a group lesson. That means we need to practice singing our song. Here we go. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, body calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen at group time. At group time. So we know from reading our morning message today is Friday or Viernes, September or Septiembre, 25th. Good. Let's count all the way to 25 together. Can you point with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I don't know if you noticed, but I took a pause after the number 10 and after the number 20. That is because those are groups of 10. Kind of like when we do how many days have we been in school? We have our group of 10. If we got to 20, that means that we would have two groups of 10. So we take a break when we get to those groups of 10. We're going to keep working on that, so don't worry if it doesn't make sense to you right now. Let's talk about how many days we've been in kindergarten. We'll add a new stick. All right, how many groups of 10 do we have? How many? Just one. How many ones are in a group of 10? There's 10 ones. Very good. So we're going to write our number 10. Remember, our 10 is a 1 and a 0. Then we'll put in that plus sign. Let's take a look at how many ones we have. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So we're going to write our number 8. The number 8 is kind of tricky. It's a loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop-de-loop. So we'll start at the top. We'll loop down like we're making a letter S. And then we'll loop back up, making a letter S backwards. We have to put in our equal sign. All right, if we have 10 and we add 8 more, what is that going to equal? Let's practice our counting on strategy. So we think in our heads, we're at 10. Okay, what comes next? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We've been in kindergarten 18 days. So when we write our number 18, that's a number 1 and a number 8 smushed together. So we have one group of 10 and 8 ones. So let's practice writing our 18. We're going to write the number 1 and our 8. Remember, this is the S. So we practice like we're writing an S, and then we write it backwards. It's okay if it doesn't look very good right now. The only way we can get better at things is if we practice them, and that's what we're going to do all year long. All right, for our math work today, we are going to need our workbook, and we are going to be doing page 125. So I will show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so we are going to practice writing some of our numbers today. It looks like we're going to practice the numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's look up here. These are dominoes. They're dots on a little square. Let's count how many dots we see here. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to use my pencil, and I'm going to draw my number 3. So I'll start right here. We go up and around, up and around. Good. Let's take a look at this next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll practice writing that number 4. So we'll start at the top, we'll go down and over, pick up our pencil, and make that number 1. Over here, what do we have? How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll start here. We'll go halfway, and then we'll make a little circle. Then we'll pick up our pencil and go put the hat on it. Over here, how many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 6 is a tricky one sometimes. So we'll start at the top and we'll slope down like we're skiing, and then we'll make a loop. Good. So I want you to practice the rest of these. This one down here, you're going to have to do all by yourself. We can't trace it. I want to see if you can do it. I bet you can. All right. I can't wait to see your numbers, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.